Respect the old when you are young. Help the weak when you are strong. Small steps are better than no steps. Don't waste words on people who deserve your silence. Sometimes, the most powerful thing you can say is nothing at all. You will definitely succeed in your life if you follow the advice that you give to others. Never follow anyone, because no one will tell you a story in which he himself is a traitor. Once a secret is told, it is no longer a secret. Be silent in the heat of anger. Problems are a part of life. Facing them is an art of life. Every bad moment gives a pain. Every pain gives a lesson. Every lesson changes a person. If someone shows you their true colors, don't try to repaint them. If you want to move forward, change yourself instead of changing others. Live your life in such a way that if people say bad things about you, no one will believe them. A beautiful face will age and a perfect body will change, but a beautiful soul will always be a beautiful soul. The past is your lesson. The present is your gift. The future is your motivation. Fools multiply when wise men are silent. Don't tell people your plans. Show them your results. Before going to sleep every night, forgive everyone and sleep with a clean heart. Open your mouth only if what you're going to say is more beautiful than silence. A seed grows with no sound, but a tree falls with huge noise. Destruction has noise, but creation is quiet. This is power of silence. If you feel like you're losing everything, remember, trees lose their leaves every year, yet they still stand tall and wait for better days to come. The most powerful man in the world is the one a woman fully trusts. A man who walks with purpose doesn't need the crowd to cheer. I have many problems in my life, but my lips don't know that. They always smile. Mirror is my best friend, because when I cry, it never laughs. Always keep in mind, haters spread rumors. Fools spread them, and idiots believe them. The rain will fall whether you complain or not. Traffic will exist whether you stress or not. People will act how they want, whether you worry or not. Focus on what you can change. Let go of what you can't. A mind is like a parachute. It doesn't work if it isn't open. Don't think that time will change our life. A fool who knows he is a fool is wiser than a fool who thinks himself wise. Life is a journey, and every step we take brings us closer to our destination. If you are depressed, you are living in the past. If you are anxious, you are living in the future. If you are at peace, you are living in the present. A lone path teaches you a lot. Study the past if you would define the future. When you start to improve yourself, loneliness is the price you pay. If you spend your whole life waiting for the storm, you'll never enjoy the sunshine. Everyone has skills and talent, but not everyone has a strategy. If you don't sacrifice for what you want becomes the sacrifice. No one in this world is pure and perfect.